Hello everyone, I'm back again with this video. As you remember that in the previous videos we discussed about the connectors that are used in IELTS. So you can just see on the screen. Now these are the connectors: but, whereas, and, moreover, because, yet. So as I told you in those videos that connectors are used to make complex sentences. So there are different types of complex sentences that you can make, and these connectors are used to connect two sentences. Now, today's class is not going to be about connectors, it is going to be about the list of correlative connectors. So what correlative connectors is? Correlative connectors are pairs. That means in one sentence you will be using two connectors. For example, neither, nor, not only, but also. So there are many examples, and we will also discuss about the sentences of these connectors. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. So if you can clearly see that either or is our first connector. So basically either and or is connecting two balanced clauses or two phrases or two words together. For an example, we can go to either Malaysia or Singapore for our holiday. So we have two different phrases in this sentence, and it is connected by two different conjunctions, either and or. So this is a correlative conjunction, either or. The next one is, it's my final offer. You can either take it or leave it. That means you can either go for it or you can decide to leave. The next one is, I will eat either peas or carrots for dinner. That means that you will eat one thing of these. Either you will be eating peas or you will be eating carrots. So next correlative conjunctions are both and. So both soccer and football are popular in France. Both English and Malay are spoken in Malaysia. The company deals in both software and hardware. So when you want to say about two things that both are done or both are used, so you will use this conjunction. The next conjunction is not only but also. So you can see the example clearly. Not only he is a professional basketball player, but he is also a successful businessman. This means he is also a good professional basketball player and he is also a successful businessman. So you can use these correlative conjunctions not only in your speaking but also in your writing tasks of IELTS. So I repeat, you can use these conjunctions not only in your speaking but also in your writing task of IELTS. The next one is, he not only studies hard but also works well. So this clearly shows that we are connecting two different phrases by using two correlative conjunctions. The next one is not and but. There are not two but three Baltic states: Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. The next one says, in sport, what counts is not the winning, but the taking part. Next one is neither nor. Neither Norway nor Switzerland is in the European Union. So when you are not choosing both the option, you use this correlative conjunction neither and nor. So Natasha likes neither milk nor cheesecakes. This means that Natasha do not like milk and she also don't like cheesecake. Next one is whether or. So this sentence is quite simple. Whether you love them or you hate them, you must admit that the rolling pebbles are very popular. I'm totally confused. I don't know whether I'm coming or going. The next one is, do you care whether we have rice or bread for dinner? The next one is no sooner than. Now this is not then. Then, THEN. No, this is not then. Then is used for time, and than, THAN, is used when you must compare two things. Like he is faster than Sham. So that means you are comparing two persons. So you will use than. So then is used with time, than is used with when you are comparing something. So no sooner had I finished watering the garden than it started raining. Next one is no sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. Next one is scarcely when. It clearly shows us scarcely had she entered the room when the phone rang. The next one says scarcely had Mark started the journey when it started raining. So scarcely is just like using merely. The next one says such that. So it says it's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to do much to keep it clean. Next one is just as so. It clearly says just as the English love football, so too the Indians love cricket. The next one, if then. It says if I use correct punctuation, then I will include commas where necessary. The next one is as and as. So we are using as a couple of times in a single sentence. So the example clearly shows a very simple sentence. She is as tall as her brother. That means she is equally tall as her brother. The next one is he is as good a cook as his wife is. So when you use this kind of a sentence or you end your sentence with a preposition like is, you don't put a dot in the end. You put an exclamatory mark. The next one says hardly and when. So hardly had I seen Sam when he started walking. The next one is what with and. So what with fresh air and proper exercise, he recovered from his illness quickly. The next one says, the last one, rather than. I would rather prefer coffee than tea. So guys, these conjunctions can be very useful when you are making complex sentences for your IELTS exam, in your writing test and your speaking module. But it's also of great importance that you practice these sentences, that you practice them every day of the life until you give the IELTS exam. Write them again and again, make sentences. Only then you will inculcate into your mind. And when you are in your exam, then these words will start coming up. So instead of using simple sentences, you must use at least 2 or 3 correlative conjunctions in your essay task of IELTS to get a good band score. So what you need to do is just make a list of these words. You can go through these examples that I've given in this video, but try to make your own sentences and check whether they can be used in your speaking or writing. So guys, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It gives me motivation to make more and more videos. I'll try my best to make at least 5 videos in a week. And do not forget to like and comment on this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.